In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an art gallery website on Wix. First, we'll get started by setting up your site. Head over to wix.com and create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option that says Create New Site. So go ahead and click that. You'll then be prompted to choose between the Wix Editor and Wix ADI. Either option is fine, but for the most customized control, the Wix Editor is the way to go. Now specify that you're interested in creating an art gallery or portfolio website. This choice helps Wix suggest some relevant templates that are perfect for showcasing your artwork. Browse through the available options and select a template that resonates with your aesthetic. Remember, you'll be able to replace all the template's existing content with your own artwork, so focus on the overall design and layout that you like. Let's move on to adding and customizing your galleries. Once inside the editor, find the option that says Add Elements located in the left-hand menu. Hover over the Gallery section to explore the various layout options. You might find a grid gallery or a pro gallery that fits your style. Each has its own unique way of displaying your art, so choose one that you believe will best showcase your work. Next, simply click and drag the chosen gallery layout onto your page. After you've positioned the gallery where you want it, click on it to bring up the Manage Media option. This is where you get to personalize the space by deleting the default images and uploading your beautiful artwork. Next on our agenda is adding pages and editing the content. Navigate to the Pages and Menu section on the left side of the editor. This is your gateway to adding new pages, like a separate section for different art collections, an About Me page to share your journey, or a contact page, making it easy for visitors to reach you. Feel free to click on any of the text boxes to edit the content. You want the wording to reflect your style or message precisely. You can also effortlessly drag and reposition elements on the page to suit your needs. Through the Site Design tab, you can get creative with the background, either changing sections or an entire page. This flexibility allows you to design a website that's uniquely yours. Finally, let's bring your site to life by publishing it. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, find the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Broadcasting your art to the world is just a click away. If you want an added touch of professionalism, consider registering and connecting a custom domain name to your site. This ensures that your website not only looks great, but also feels impressive to visitors. And there you have it, a complete and stunning art gallery website ready to showcase to the world, created effortlessly with Wix.